we're gonna go through the how-tos of dental monitoring and how to use your scan box to take your scans at home so that we can monitor you virtually every week from the office. So first off, you should have received an email from Dental Monitoring. In that email will be a link that takes you to the App Store to download the Dental Monitoring app. Also in that email will be a password. So once you have the Dental Monitoring app downloaded, open it, go back to the email, and there'll be a little blue passage that says, click here to log into my account. Click on that and it will automatically log you into Dental Monitoring. And then you'll be on the home screen and you'll have the option to take scan, watch a tutorial video, and then further down you'll be able to monitor your progress through your aligners. So a couple things we need to talk about before we go into the scanner is in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, there will be a little gray circle with a little white man inside of it. Click on that. And then over on the right side, there'll be a little button that says video. So click on that and change that to scan box. And then you'll be able to X out of that screen. And then in the lower left-hand corner of the home screen, the lower right-hand corner of the home screen will be a message bubble. That's where you can send messages directly to us and we'll answer and respond to those during business hours. Okay, so first thing, this will be your lip and cheek retractor. You put it in your mouth this way so that the magnets are facing out and so that the C is under your chin. So this is a magnet and this is a magnet. And then this is your scan box. When you get it, it'll come in a box like this. All right, so this is what it looks like. So what you'll want to do is open up your app on your phone, and then you'll want to put your phone in here so that your camera is in this viewing box. So like that. On the inside, there's a little teardrop in here, and you want that lined up with the camera on your phone. And the way that you adjust that is this gray button right here, and you just slide it up and down so that it lines up with your camera on the back side. So you're gonna do your scans in a well-lit room in front of a mirror, so usually a bathroom. So set your phone in there, and then you secure it with a strap. And then you'll have the app open on here, and then you'll wanna have your volume on because there'll be a lady that will walk you through the steps of your scans. So on here, this is a magnet and this is a magnet. You'll have your lip and cheek retractors in, and then you'll bring your scan box up to your lip and cheek retractors, and they'll click together. So once you have that, you'll hit take scan on your screen, and she'll walk you through how to do your scans. When you're scanning, it's not so much a movement of your head, but the movement of the scan box. So you'll want to hold your head still, and then move the scan box slowly to one side, slowly back to the other side, and back to center. It doesn't matter which side you start with, just as long as it's from all the way from one side to the other side so that we can see your back teeth. It'll be a series of 3 scans. The first scan is with your aligners out and your teeth biting down in normal occlusion. So if you were smiling or eating, teeth together in their normal way, not end to end. And the second scan is with your aligners out and your teeth a little more than thumb width apart. So about like that. And then for the last scan, you're gonna put your aligners in. And this one is also with the teeth about thumbs width apart, and they're all the same. All one way, back to the other side, and back to center. And then it'll let you know if your scans were accepted, and it'll upload automatically for you. And then you'll get your notifications as to whether you can change to your next aligner or not within about 12 hours. And you just follow the prompts in Dental Monitoring. Sometimes if your teeth haven't had enough time to move, you'll stay in a certain aligner for an extra 3 days. If you're good to move on to the next one, you'll get a notification telling you to move on. You'll receive your notifications via email and the notification bar at the top of your phone.